Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, fun, inspiration, we're real and we're educational. So today's vlog is taking you, or it will be taking you into a part of my routine when it comes on to hair care for our girls. So before we get into that, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Couplings family. We love you, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here. For all of our returning residents, our tenants in the building, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, all right? So just as a background for especially our new subscribers, those who have not been around our family for a long time. So Brian and I have two girls, two beautiful princesses. Do you hear them in the background? We have two girls, and the older one is Bria and the younger one is Bella. So there is a huge difference between their hair. So Bria's hair looks almost like mine. She has more Indian. I'm half Indian. So Bria sort of took from my side of the family. And then Bella has a different texture hair. Persons say she took from Brian's side of the family. But the truth is, both Brian and I are mixed. I am half Indian. Brian is mixed with Chinese and whole heap of other things. So it really could have come from any side of the family. But our girls have two completely different hair types, and I absolutely love it. I love both their hair, and I'm just excited about, you know, exploring and trying different things to ensure that I do what is best for both hair types, though they are different. So first, let me start with Bria. So because Bria has hair almost like mine, it was very easy to figure out what to use in her hair, because I just kind of went off of what I used to use in my hair as a child, and the products that would work for my hair, I knew that they would work well for her hair. Now Bella's hair type, it's sort of a 4C hair type, and you'll see some videos as I take you through the routine of me taking care of their hair. She has a more 4C hair type. Just a little bit more curl pattern in that 4C, but it is closer to 4C than any of the other hair types. And over the past 2 years, going on 3 years, I have had to spend a lot of time trial and error trying to figure out what works best for her hair. I have had to be trying different products. I research, I go to YouTube, because I have never been tasked with taking care of that hair type, because my hair is completely different. I never knew off the bat like the right products to use, what to do, what not to do, etc. So what I've had to do over the past 2 years was buy different products for the girls. So the products that work for Bria don't work well for Bella. The products that work for Bella don't work well for Bria, and I'm going to show you some examples. So you see all those products behind me? Yes. Some of them are trial and error. Some of them I'm trying them for the first time, and I'm just trying to see if I can find a set of products that work well for both hair types. But so far I haven't been able to. And if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave it in the comments, all right? So when Bria came out of the baby stage, I started using these in her hair. It's an African Pride Dream Kids Olive Miracle Detangling Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Started using these two. They work well with her hair. However, because the scent is because it's so sweet, it raises up her sinus most of the time. So I've had to not use it sometimes. When Bella came out of the baby stage, I started using this L'Oreal berry shampoo, especially because it was no tears and I had to be specific about getting those that are no tears. I use this one. It's a Trolls shampoo, but it's from L'Oreal. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and I found that it worked well in her hair. However, as she grew and as her hair started to grow, I realized I was not getting the moisture that I was looking for. So let me just say this off the bat. This video is not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and what I've had to try, okay? Then I discovered this brand. This brand is called F.I.R.E Babies. And I came across this brand on Instagram, and this brand in particular caters to children with froze, like afros. So I said, all right, given that I'm trying to, let me see if I can zoom in a little. Can you see it? See the pictures? Yeah. Seeing that I was trying to figure out what I could use in Bella's hair that will help her hair to keep the moisture, I decided to try it. And they have a whole line. Let me show you. Whoops. They have a whole line. So there's the shampoo, conditioner, and then the leave-in conditioner. So I bought the whole line. And then there is this curls are popping souffle kind of thing, and then a gel. It's called a Puffy Hold Me Down Baby Gel. So I tried these and they worked really well in her hair. That's Bella, really well in her hair. I tried them with Bria. These, the products like the souffle and the gel worked well in Bria's hair, as well as the leave-in conditioner. But for some reason, I don't know, as it relates to the shampoo and conditioner, I did not get the outcome that I was looking for in Bria's hair, but I got it in Bella's hair. So I figured more or less that, hey, this brand is probably geared towards Bella's hair type. And so that's why it works so well for her hair. And the main ingredients, and I normally look for things that have no alcohol, hear the noise, no parabens, no mineral oil, that kind of thing, and these don't have in any of those. This is made, the line is made with honey and avocado. Works well with Bella's hair. And for Bria, the products outside of the shampoo and conditioner work well for her hair, but the shampoo and conditioner, they don't give me the kind of outcome that I'm looking for, especially when it comes down to cleansing her hair, because her hair is so long and thick. I have to use so much, and then I feel like I'm still not getting the desired outcome. So I decided to try a new product, and it's from the Shea Moisture Kids line. So I'm going to be trying those today in our routine, and I'm gonna let you know how those work. I have to be stretching behind me because it's stuff around the counter. So these are the Shea Moisture shampoo, conditioner, curling buttercream, and there's also an extra moisturizing detangler, and I'm going to be trying those. But before I do all of that, well, I'm going to shampoo and condition. I want to give them a deep treatment. I'm going to start making some home hair masks, but I wanted to give them a deep treatment before I get on into this week, because I think that their hair wants to be treated a little. So I bought this shea and coconut oil deep moisture hair mask that I was recommended. I bought it in Fontana and they recommended it for the girls given their age. It's from Every Strand. Earthy Hair Essentials. This is what it looks like. I'm going to use this, and then going forward, well, when this is finished, I'll start making my own, but I really don't have the time right now, but I'm going to do that. And I also got this detangling brush. It's called Frida Baby or something like that, but the brand is Frida or Frida. I don't know, but it looks like a nice brush. I got these on Amazon. I also got all the Shea Moisture brands from Amazon, and the Fro Babies hair, the hair care line, it's on frobabies.com, so you can check them out if it is that you're trying to find something for that hair type. But there's something locally made that I use in their hair, and it works lovely. I've been trying to find an oil that works well for both their hair types, and this is the only hair oil that I've found that works well for both of them. This is locally made. I actually went to school with one of the persons who is behind this. It's called Lustrous Natural Hair Food. So this is Bella, for those of you who are watching for the first time, and Bella has a more kind of 4C hair type, right? And if you hear rain in the background, yes, holy rain falling. I don't normally wash their hair when it's raining because it's harder for it to dry and the place is cold, but I already started, so just have to ensure that their hair is dried before they go to sleep. So I'm going to Bria is here.
My name is not Miss Bria.
Miss Bria is here.
No, my name is not Miss Bria.
With her head of hair.
My name is Bria.
And this comb is not going to work well in her hair. Bella didn't really like it. So I'm gonna go back to our original brush that we normally use. This one I think is a little too harsh. So Bria's hair was being treated, and now I'm going to wash it, condition it.
I feel like I'm a mermaid.
Yeah, wash it, condition it, and then let it air dry as well. So guys, I'm reverting to this brush for Bria. I think it works better than the one I got. So I'm going back to that one, and I'm going to condition her hair now. When I'm doing Bria's hair, I have to use a lot of conditioner. Holy. Bria's hair is more tangled than I had anticipated. It was in a protective style. So I have put the brush down and I'm detangling with my fingers. She's very tender-headed, and her hair was like really tangled in the protective style that it was in. So I just finished detangling with my fingers. You okay? No, more wrong. It hurts. Alright, I'm finished. Okay.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I did not even like it. I have never washed my hair.
No, that's not true. So I'm finished with Bria's hair. So I'm going to let it air dry. Gonna add some moisturizer. Same ones I added to Bella's hair. And let it air dry a little. I can't let Bria's hair air dry for too long, because once it starts drying, it starts melting up again. And that's a problem. So I have to be very quick. Lean back, Mama. Come on. I have to be very quick with it. Sit down. Sit. Yeah, I have to be very quick with it. So yeah,
we're gonna let it air dry.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
So I'm finally finished. Yeah, it usually takes me more than an hour to get both of them done, but I'm finished. Bria is like, oh, I'm finally finished, thank God. Yeah, so far I like the products, the new products that I tried. They smell nice. I like the treatment. It made their hair feel very nice and soft. And my only thing that I've observed so far, and obviously I feel like probably I will have to continue using these in Bria's hair only and not Bella's, and go back to my F.I.R.E Babies line for Bella, which works amazing. When I put the curling buttercream in Bria's hair, it melts in just fine. When I put it in Bella's hair, it's almost as if it hasn't blended in with the hair. It's like sitting on top of the hair, so it's white. Her hair is white, and I don't have that problem with Bria's hair with this product. And when I use the F.I.R.E Babies moisturizer and curling cream and all of those for Bella's hair, I don't have that problem. So I know it has something to do with the porosity of their hair, and their hair have different porosities, so that's a whole other discussion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them air dry, let the hair air dry, because I don't put heat to their hair. And then I'll just plait it up for tonight, and then tomorrow after school I'm going to style it. I may do another video for that, because I style their hair different, because some styles that work for Bella don't work for Bria, and some styles that work for Bria don't work for Bella. But all in all, you know, I am grateful for this adventure. I'm always learning something, but if you have any tips and you want to share with me in the comments, feel free to do that. I would welcome any tips as to how to, you know, the different products I can use for both of them, that kind of thing. So leave me some comments, all right, so that I can get some ideas. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog today. Say, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Look, Bella. Look at me. See, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
I was made in the image of God.
I was made in the image of God.
And no one can tell me otherwise.
And no one can tell me otherwise.
Okay, I'm strong.
I'm strong.
I'm smart.
I'm smart.
I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
I'm blessed and highly favored.
I'm blessed and highly favored.
What else?
I'm more than a conqueror. I'm healthy, wealthy, beautiful, powerful, cute, strong, and bright.
What about you, Bella? What else?
And you.